Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Trello email notifications. Now, if you have a lot going on in Trello and you've been constantly swamped by a lot of emails, then you can easily turn these off, or you can even tone it down. I'm going to show you how. So what you want to do, click your profile on the uppermost right hand side, and you want to go into your settings here. Now, if you look here right under email notifications, you will see that you can turn off the notifications. You have the email frequency. It's currently set to periodically by default. If you click the drop down, you can set it to instantly if you really want to be swamped, but I guess you don't want that. And you can turn this off by simply clicking on never, and that's going to ensure that you don't receive any notifications. And you can see here, once you turn this off, you will realize that these settings don't apply to a certain things, right? So you can have certain things such as this. So if you want to go ahead and turn these off, just be sure to read the details here so that you can know the preferences that are it is set for and what's not. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. No, I want to show you something as well. You also have the option to have a look at those the notifications for your desktop, so you can go ahead and you can allow that if you want to or not. It's really up to you. So just take your time, go through the email notification settings here, and you can easily go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.